In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create forms in multiple languages in HubSpot step by step so you can manage international leads the right way and keep everything organized inside your CRM. If you're running campaigns in different countries or targeting multilingual audiences, this is exactly what you need. And as always, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top navigation menu, click on Marketing, and then select Forms. This will take you to the Forms tool, where you can see all the forms you've already created. Now, the key to creating forms in multiple languages the right way is to start with a base form. For example, let's say you already have an English version of your Contact Us form. You have two options here. You can either create a completely new form from scratch, or you can clone an existing form. In most cases, cloning is the recommended option because it saves time and keeps your structure consistent across languages. To clone a form, hover over the form you want to use as your base version. Click on Actions and then select Clone. HubSpot will immediately create a duplicate of that form. This gives you the exact same fields, structure, logic, and settings, so you don't have to rebuild everything manually. Once the form is cloned, the next important step is to rename it properly. This is crucial for staying organized, especially if you're managing multiple languages. For example, you could rename the form to Contact Us-FR for French, Contact Us-ES for Spanish, or Contact Us-DE for German. Adding the language code at the end makes it very easy to identify which version is which when you're embedding them on different pages or sharing them with your team. After renaming the form, open it in the form editor so you can begin translating the content. Inside the editor, you'll want to go through each field carefully. Update the field labels into the target language. For example, change first name, last name, email address, and message into their translated equivalents. Don't forget to also translate placeholder text, help text, and any custom validation messages. If your form includes consent language, GDPR text, or subscription descriptions, make sure those are accurately translated as well. This is especially important for compliance and user clarity. Next, review the button text. By default, it may say something like Submit. You'll want to translate that into the correct language too. Small details like this make the form feel fully localized instead of partially translated. If your form includes automation, such as follow-up emails or workflows, double-check those as well. You may need to create language-specific follow-up emails so that someone submitting the French form receives a French confirmation email, for example. Keeping the experience consistent improves trust and conversion rates. Once you've translated everything and reviewed the settings, click Save. After saving, click Publish to make the form live. Now your multilingual version is ready to be embedded on the corresponding language page of your website. You can repeat this exact process for every additional language you need. Simply go back to your original base form, clone it again, rename it with the new language code, translate the fields, and publish. This method keeps your data structured properly in HubSpot, while allowing you to customize the user experience for each audience. And that's it. That's how you create forms in multiple languages in HubSpot, using the clone method to stay organized and efficient. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials, CRM tips, and marketing automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.